The other day, there was an article in the Times of India that Danish people are the happiest people in the world. Indians were ranked 125th. I expected Arabs, considering the teachings of the Quran, to take the lead. So, I mean, what's wrong?
Brother, there was a question that there was a survey when I read that article. The happiest people in the world, in any country, is Denmark. And then I think in Switzerland, then Austria, and USA, I think was 42 or something like that, somewhere close, I don't know exactly. And Indians came 126th. 126th, and I read that article. So he's asking that he thought that maybe Arabs would be. See, brother, the person who had done the survey, depend what is happiness for him. Understand? Some people spending time with a girlfriend may be happiness. So first you have to check up what is the criteria for happiness in that article. Some people may find happiness in robbing. You understand? Some people in dancing. Some people having alcohol. So if you say according to that person having alcohol is the happiest person, then Saudi Arabia would come last. So you have to realize what is the definition of happiness. See, every survey that is there. So normally according to you, happiness is not to have alcohol, doing good deeds, not to tell lies, not to rob. That is happiness. So you are thinking according to your psychology. If you do the survey, inshallah, Saudi Arabia would come number one. I agree with you. So depend on what are the criteria for that survey. So first the criteria, right or wrong, is important. Is in line with Islam or not. So therefore we say that who is the most successful person in this world? The person who goes to Jannah. For them, maybe a person who earns. So the most successful people in this world. So they may put Bill Gates number one. Correct? For us, Bill Gates. Maybe he'll come where, I don't know. I don't want to put any care. But surely he will not be the most successful. Because for us success is following Allah and His Rasul. So it keeps on differing. So when you read these surveys, you should be careful. What is the meaning of happiness is important. So here when we go, that there maybe pornography is very common. So person who reads pornography is the happiest person. For him happiness is that. First it is jihad, that you should not do zina, you should not go close to this. And yet, so the thing is that the people have misconceptions. People normally think that those who are richest in the world are happiest. They are not. Actually, if you do a survey, people staying in villages, maybe earning a few hundred rupees a month, they are happy. They have no tension at all. We that live in the city with all the science and technology, we have a Mercedes car, we may travel in plane, but true happiness, they sleep peacefully. You know, we realize that if you do a survey, those people who are wealthy are not actually happy. Inner peace is not there. There are some people, for inner peace for them may be doing dawah. Maybe following Allah and His Rasul. So, you may realize that the people who are on the wrong path also may be very happy. A robber is very happy, a rapist is very happy. So happiness is subjective. You have to analyze what are the criteria of happiness in that article is important. So in that way they give the grading. But our criteria, happiness is the Quran. Quran and Sunnah. Earning is not the criteria. Whether you're earning 1,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees. Our criteria is that when we are doing something, we are pleasing Allah and His Rasul. Because we are looking for the final happiness, akhirah. But inshallah, if we follow the Quran, Sunnah, eternal happiness, inshallah, we'll get in the Jannah, inshallah. Hope that answers the question.